so we can still have one people. Oh, okay, hello. Welcome to our welcome to studio. Okay, okay. Can you introduce your bosses and your company?
Of course. Um, Leyard is a global leading audio and video leader. We are mainly focused in the display manufacturing. So at this exhibition, I'm going to introduce some Leyard products for you.
Okay, okay. So I think in our business must be have new products in our business, right? So what's the new products you want to introduce our audience first?
Yeah, first I'm going to introduce the MG series fine pitch LED screen for you, which is mostly used in the TV studio, control room, conference room, and hospitality. So first I'm going to show you the products. Just come with me.
Okay, let's follow us. So first of all, I can see the large screens. So what's the important point about the large screen?
Yeah, this screen is MG 1.2 LED screen. Now, what they are looking at is a screen consists of 8 by 8 pieces LED panels, which has a dimension of 3.84 meter by 1.26 meter, which gives you a resolution of 4K.
Yes.
And this screen is fully front maintainable, and it also can be installed from the front side. Yeah. And in order to have the highest stability, we give you options of data receiver redundancy, power supply redundancy, and also electricity redundancy. So you have all the aspects which can be backup.
Okay.
Yeah, make sure.
I think listen to you introduce our audience is very imagine how big the screens, so we can to move on, and let's our audience to enjoy the big screen and to look the screen is how big. So how about others point about this screen? Can you introduce some?
Yeah, this screen also gives you some more options with a finer pixel pitch, such as 0.9 millimeter, which is more higher in resolution than this screen. And also we give you other options up to 2.5 millimeter, which give you more cost-effective solution as well.
Oh wow, it's fantastic. So what other products you want to introduce our audience?
Yeah, just come with me.
Okay, let's go. So don't.
Yeah, this screen.
Yeah.
We are looking at is HKS.
There are two screens.
Yes.
Right?
The left side is LED screen. The other side is LCD screen. So this screen is an economic solution for normal commercial advertising and hospitality. So what they are looking at is a screen consists of 4 by 3 LED panels. Each panel has a dimension of 640 millimeter by 360 millimeter.
Wow, so high.
And this screen has an aspect ratio of 16:9. This screen is also fully front serviceable and can be installed from front side. If you are looking at the structure of screen, now you can see this is directly mounted to the wall without a subframe. So we are using this 3-dimension adjustable joint place to make the easy installation.
So we can use this product to every situation, right?
Normally we are.
Outdoor.
This is used for indoor.
Indoor.
Mainly for the commercial advertising, and it can be used in the hospitality.
Okay. So what other products you want to introduce audience? The most very others advertising about to our booth is Leyard to introduce our audience.
Yeah, of course.
Yes.
I'm going to lead you to see the
Next.
LED display and LCD display solution for the
Okay.
conference.
Conference. Okay. I'm very curious about the conference. So we are there, right?
Yeah, this is TXP.
Oh, okay. Wow. So let's our audience to enjoy the conference. So what's point about the conference?
At the conference solution, we also give you two alternatives. One is the LED display,
LED.
and the other is the LCD display.
Our city has two screens in
Yes.
the conference. Why is the difference about there?
The LED solution gives you option with bigger dimension.
Wow.
For example, you can have 108, 135, 162, and
Yeah.
210 inch.
Wow.
So you can
I
big-
touch.
Yeah,
the
for
screen?
sure. You can touch the screen.
Yeah, I want to
This,
try it.
yeah,
Okay.
the screen adopts 2-in-1
It's very
LED.
slightly.
Yeah, it's
so-
more robust than regular LED screen.
Okay. So
So it
what-
allows people use fingers to scratch it.
maybe we can use my hand to control it, right?
Yeah, for sure.
Wow.
This screen adopts three types of operation system. One is Windows, and the other is Android. And
Wow.
third is iOS. So it allows different types of devices to access the screen.
Okay, can you show us? I can't wait for the function. I want to see it.
Yeah, for sure. You can see this function is whiteboard. You can use the finger
Oh my god,
to scratch.
it's amazing!
Uh,
And use pen to write something.
yes, for
Whoa.
sure.
Oh my god. ISLE. Oh my god.
Yeah,
So,
for sure.
Maybe I can use either.
Yeah, to erase it.
Yeah. Wow, it's so comfortable. I like it. We can use it in the conference, and especially sometimes we're studying some new technology and knowledge, right?
Yeah.
And what other functions?
From the aspect of display technology, this screen also adopts common cathode, which gives a very low heat dissipation. So when you put your fingers, you can feel the heat is very low.
Yeah.
It also consumes very low power. So it gives you very environmental friendly experience.
Especially, I think expect the lighting and other function and low atmosphere. So, what are others about this screen function?
You can use the mapping function. Once you use a dongle to plug into your tablet, you can project your screen on the tablet to the LED screen.
But we have no situation to show it to our audience, right?
Wait a minute.
Wait a minute. Okay. So, hello. Hello. It's so beautiful lady. Okay. How?
Going to let you know how to use the mapping function to project the image of your tablet or laptop to the LED screen.
Okay. What should I call you?
Valerie.
Valerie. Okay. So, next time, next we will to enjoy your introduce this function to our audience, right?
Oh yeah. So okay. So I understand. So basically, right now, if we will show you the sharing. Yeah, I want to go to back to the front. Okay. Yes. Here. Yes. Home. So basically, our system is right now is more supporting. Oh, wait 1 second. We don't have Wi-Fi here right now, but we have another one LCD solution. Can we share right now there?
Okay, in our
Okay.
conference have little screen,
Yeah.
The little screen already to show us to about the function. So let's go.
Yeah, so basically I was just want to add one thing. This is a LED solution, so no matter how big size you would like to have at your conference room or at the educational room, you can use this. And more important, this is one of the most 登级品 is like because this is micro LED TXP solution. Yes, the top one right now product. And this year we got the micro LED, the first company who designed micro LED and used it and performed for the meeting solution. And now please come here. Here you can see our another solution. So Leyard providing wide range opportunity for different budget and for different costs. So this is LCD solution. As the previous one, we supporting here Android system, Windows system. So first of all, we can press here and how we can share anything with our screen. We with the help of QR code, we can download special app here to your mobile phone or to your tablet or to your PC. Then you just using this app, scanning the screen. Wait. Yes, perfectly. So we have the connection here, and then I will just sharing the picture here. Please. Hop, and yes, we have. So yeah, very easy, very fast. Moreover, so basically we can adjust it any sizes. We can remove it if we don't need it, and we basically can simultaneously, because I just have right now one phone, but we simultaneously can support 9 screens, PC, tablet, phone, everything what you need. So this LCD solution is basically very good for the educational purpose. Why? First of all, we have this stylus which can support the different colors. For example, this one white side, we can choose the red color, and then we will choose the white color for maybe for the small part. So basically when the teacher will show something, and if the kiddo come here and start answering the question, for example, and then he giving 5, just teacher will say no, basically this is 4, and you're like out. Moreover, we are supporting the shape control, so that you don't need to be like this one. Yeah. Okay, so and then we will, it's basically if you will just use with one line, so he will support all the shapes. Then if you don't need this, you just can select, then you can turn it, you just can turn, shape it, anything, make it small, make it bigger. And then, for example, after this lesson, we have something need to be sent to the teacher or sent to the parents. We just giving them the QR code. Then you will scan, it will appear, scan QR code, and then automatically it will appear at your screen, at your phone, or at your email. So basically that's why our parents, especially parents, can control how the kiddos is taking the classes and answering during the classes. The same we can do with our meeting as well. So moreover, our advantages is that this solution LCD is also supporting not only the internal, for example, video conference, but all third-party video conference also can support it. So basically, Tencent meeting, Microsoft meeting, Zoom meeting, and by the way, Leyard has its own meeting system. So we can provide it a total full pack solution. Also, advantages what we have. Over here, we have also the video camera. So right now, we are just developing our camera that can catch the person who is talking. So basically, while the meeting room, he will just catch your face. Though this will be very easy. What else we have? the LED screen as itself is just basically the normal PC. You can put the information any you want. You can download videos, and you will just showing them on the LCD screen. So this is basically user-friendly solution for you for meeting rooms, for conference, and for the educational purpose. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you for your introduce. So I think so many people think that about this function must be very happy because it's very useful for our boss and our parents and other situations. Thank you for introduction. So next I will to go through this Leyard bosses. We can see the bosses is so big. So we can see we have another very handsome boy. So can you introduce yourself?
Hello guys, my name is JK from Leyard Group, and we are focused on creative LED screen.
Okay.
Yeah.
So Jack, so what new products you want to introduce our audience?
Okay. Right now, what you saw. Right now, what you saw is our we call it a 3D magical cube. So we can move to this angle. This is our we call it a 3D magical cube, and we use our P2 LED screen for indoor use right now, and we use our advantage is we adopted with rubber modules and standard cabinets to come together to make the screen more flatness. And right now, what you saw is a 3D content. It's also created by our Korea team. So it's widely used in the airport, train station, transport center. So it's very eye-catching and attractive. Yeah.
So I have already seen the different appearance, but our audience are not too clear to see this appearance. So let's our camera to move to this way. This way we can see greatly the appearance about this product. So what point is this product? Because I have already to see it, but this point I think it must be have other different about.
Because right now in China we have a lot of LED factories, but right now we want to make the screen more eye-catching and creative, right? So right now we want to make the screen like with a 3D effect. So right now you can see that we can simulate like like a very creative contents. So right now in China also the contents is also very important, but right now we are don't have so creative things. So right now we have the Korean team help us to creative the contents come together with our screen. So it's come together to make an eye-catching effect. Yeah.
So amazing. So what others about this product you want to introduce the audience, right? About others you do you have?
Yeah, we also have another
one.
Yeah, we also have another rotating.
So let's move
Yeah.
our steps. So we are
Yeah.
this
This way. Yeah.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Different appearance.
Yeah.
Different with this.
This one, what you saw right now, we call it a rotating tower. So it's a totally customized mechanical screen. So it's a rubber P1.8 screen combined with mechanical technology, and also you can saw like it's almost similar like a 3D content together, and it's a 10 layer floor. Each floor can show different contents, and also the whole floor can show the whole contents, a whole video. So it's also very creative, and the most advantage for our screen is we customize 100% customize control software to very simply and very quickly control the whole screen. So we can our customer can control each floor and can control the speed, how it's rotating. Yeah.
So they can make one product, but they can spread with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 floor.
And also we can customize the different floors. Like if you want one floor, we can do the one floor. If you want the 12th floor, we can do the 12th floor. So we call it a module design. So it's a very it's very flexible. Okay, so yeah.
So I can see Leyard offers so many choices to our audience. So what about this one? We can use it in outdoor and indoor.
Yeah, both outdoor and indoor. Right now, what you saw is an indoor P1.8 screen. It's a rubber module. You can see it's like a convex design. And if you want outdoor right now, we also have a real project. It's already done. It's a 20 floor. It's over 50 meters. Yeah, so we can do both indoor and outdoor models right now. Yeah.
So I want to ask one question. Maybe it's so difficult to control use computer, right? Or easy?
Yeah, it's very easy to control because we customize a control software. So we just install the software in our computer, and it's really easier to upload the video because the software we customize is a visual version. Means anything you want to upload, you can see in our software. And in another part of the software, we have our mechanical time control the items. So you can see if we have a 10 floor, so we can add 10 items in the software, each item to match each floor. So means you can very quickly, very easily to control the screen. Okay, so this is our customized way.
So it's very fantastic. But I have already attention one thing because I can see this one is very, very wonderful. I want to know about this product. Okay.
Yeah. So let's move to our next station. Yeah. Okay. This way. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Now. Yeah. This is a we call it dance floor. Yeah, you can stand on that. Yeah, no issues. Yes, and this is a huge dance floor. This is a P3.9 LED dance floor, and each screen we can load around 2 tons on the floor, so we can totally stand on the screen. No issues. And it's right now what you saw is around 50 square meter here. And also the more important thing is it's interactive. Yeah. So means the video contents can be interactive when we stand on that. So we designed interactive IC in each module. So when we stand on that, so the software can interact with the people. By right now, the software is in adjustment. Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
I feel like the superstar just to do some music radio, right?
Yeah.
We can make the music radio to use it, right?
Sure.
Most of the times we can use it to other situation. For example,
we can use this kind of screen, the dance floor, widely used in the club. And also in the technology museum.
Yeah.
And also in some tourist places. Because this is very funny. We can interact with the audiences, and yes, yeah.
So I think one very new topic is about the cloud travel. You just use it just like the other place, right?
Yes.
So how can we to make it to our place? To how to make up it to application how to use application this products.
So actually this is very easy for installation. Actually right now you can see that it's only the cabinet size is 500 by 500 millimeter or 500 by 1000 millimeter for per cabinet, and each cabinet we got a fast log to connect for very quickly installation and to keep the flatness. So we also have a design like a floor bridge that is under the cabinet, so to keep the whole screen very flat and very easily and quickly install. Yeah. Yeah.
I think our bosses, our company is so comfortable and very smart, sweet. So so this one is the last product to introduce our. Oh, this one is not the one product, it's a different one. Oh my God.
Yeah. Okay, right now you saw the video wall, we call it a transparent screen. The transparent screen right now we are installed here is P3.9 and 7.8 millimeter. And actually this design is the side glow, means this screen is a very high transparency. So it means you can see through. It's widely used, glass facade, glass window, and also we have, widely used in the offices. And also, the more importantly is the screen is very light, very easily installation. Yeah. So right now also very popular in China, also in global market, and we also have our own design on this. It's also the cabinet size is 1000 millimeter by 1000 millimeter, and also we can customize different convex or concave shapes. So it's also very flexible, and the screen. You can say it's also the color performance is also very great.
So
and yeah.
So maybe we can to touch it, right?
Yeah, we can touch it.
We can?
Yeah.
Wow, it's safe, right?
Yes. Yeah.
Maybe I know.
Yes.
Wow.
So we have a PC flavor on the surface to keep that the screen is can be touchable.
Yeah.
So because you can see it's made up of each strips. So in cases the audience is to damage the lamps. So we put a PC PC board on the surface to guarantee the safe and also some water on the screen. So it means when we in some special places like in club, people want drink. So when we use this to guarantee it's waterproof. Yeah. So it's a very good design right now.
Yes.
Yeah.
So everybody, you can imagine the temperature is so low. I can't to feel the temperature. Before I touch it, I think the temperature must be so high. But why? Why is the temperature not so high?
Because for this kind of screen we design is we call it we use the aluminum strips on the backside to help them and support the screen for the higher and quickly heat dissipation. So when you display on the when the screen running, so the heat is very quickly dissipated from the backside. So when we touch that, you don't it's really feel it's not so hot. So it's a very cold when you touch that, right? So yeah.
So I think after you introduce them, so many people want to our buses and to touch it and feel these products. So how about this one? This one and this one is
Also different.
different.
Yes,
Oh my God.
Okay, the screen here is outdoor. It's an outdoor screen. It's an outdoor screen here. It's a 2.9 millimeter. We call it a high fine pixel pitch for the outdoor screen and outdoor application. And this one we use the common. We call it a common cathode design. The common cathode design means it's very energy saving. It can be around 30 to 35% energy saving than the standard screen. So it's the low power consumption for this one. And also we can, because this is an outdoor screen, So also we can to when you touch it, it's also not so very hot. It's a very also the screen with a die casting cabinet, and for the outdoor fixed installation. So brightness also is very high. Yeah.
Thank you. I think you are introducing very well, but I think the first bosses have already give our audience are so wonderful, amazing. So next time we will to move on to next bosses. Thank you for your introduction. Thank you.